This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending January 11th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.63% on Friday and was down minus 1.86% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 1.54% on Friday and was down minus 1.94% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 1.63% on Friday and was down minus 2.34% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I generate cash flow or income from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was down minus 3.59% this week, but that doesn't matter either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin as long as it is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETF that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Riot Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT in the second column. It was down minus 0.17% on Friday and decreased minus 2.76% for the week. And that was the best one. Riot Platforms Incorporated is a Bitcoin mining company and digital infrastructure company that has Bitcoin mines in Texas and Kentucky. It also operates an electrical switchgear engineering and fabrication facility in Denver, Colorado. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 7 different option contracts that range from $42.34 to $379.34. I received a total of $897.37 for the 7 option contracts. So I beat my weekly goal by $397.37, which puts me on track to beat my monthly goal. My year goal for cash flow in 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat the weekly and monthly goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. I'm going to take mine out. What should I do with my $897.37 this week? Should I pay down some credit card debt? I actually have a lot of credit card debt. Should I buy more stocks and ETFs? Well, maybe in the future. Should I pay down my student loan balance? Yes, I still have student loan balance because I have several degrees, so it took a lot of money. Let me know in the comments section what you think I should do with the money. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. Last week is $635.72, and this week $897.37. However, my total account balance decreased by minus 3.56%. Now, anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs. What do you use? Stock dividends? Bonds? Real estate? Yeah. What were your expenses related to real estate? My related expenses were zero. Check back every week to see how my cash flow system generates cash flow from week to week. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.